It's opening day for Mama's Kitchen here in the City Heights neighborhood, and we spoke with the executive chef and some volunteers about why they do what they do.
This is really a community's response to a need. Our goal is to make sure that they not only get their food, but that they eat it so that they can improve their health outcomes, improve their long-term prognosis.
This is our granddaughter, Maya.
Hi, Maya.
It's just a great experience for them to be exposed to public service and giving back to the community and seeing what that's like. Have you liked it so far?
Yeah, it's fun.
But you know when you go home, someone's eating the meal that you prepared today. Someone's eating because you helped out, and that just feels really good.
Food is the great equalizer. You know, you can be having the worst day in the world, but maybe that meal comes to you and it's got turkey meatloaf and mashed potatoes and gravy and a vegetable, and you're like, I just feel better now that I have that. That is our goal, always to make it each client feel a little better that day. So food is love.